Hello guys, today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the EKSA H6 wireless headset. But before we get started, as always, let's unpack it and see what's inside. Right out of the box, we have the user manual, the carry pouch, USB cable Type-C, the Bluetooth transmitter receiver, and the headphones themselves. These headphones are actually one of the most affordable wireless headphones in market. The build quality is pretty good, and surprisingly enough, they feel pretty premium. They are made out of plastic, but they feel solid, and they are also lightweight. The earpads are made out of protein leather, which feels very soft and breathable, and they are very comfortable to wear. The headband is collapsible, and they fold up nicely. Also, they are adjustable, so it should fit most people pretty well. Controls are located on the left ear cup and are very easy to reach. You have a volume up, volume down, on and off button, as well as the multifunction button. This headset also includes a microphone that can be turned on and off with the rotation of the microphone. The microphone is actually quite good. It manages to pick up conversations even with some noise around. There's a noise cancellation feature built into the headset which is pretty good. It can cancel 95% of the background noise and some wind noise as well. This headset is also pretty durable. I've dropped it a couple of times and it's still working perfectly fine. There's a good battery life, and the charging time is also fairly reasonable. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the battery. The Bluetooth connection is also pretty stable. I've tested this headset in a 10-meter radius, and the connection was still good. In addition to the good sound quality, these headphones also produce excellent bass. So if you're looking for a wireless headset with a good sound quality, good microphone, and durability, I definitely recommend checking out the EKSA H6 Bluetooth headset. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.